back to my YouTube channel. Today I will share with you on how to transition from crow pose to Chaturanga Dandasana. Before you attempt this, you have to be properly warm up. So you have to do at least 15 minutes of good stretches or a few times of Surya Namaskar A or Sun Salutation A or any yoga poses that helps you to warm up your body. This is to ensure that you are all ready for this fun and challenging pose. Please keep in mind you should only practice this transition when you feel comfortable with your crow and your Chaturanga Dandasana. So you should be able to hold the crow pose for at least 5 deep breaths, and you should be able to do the full Chaturanga Dandasana with straight legs, not the knees down on the mat. If not, focus on building strength and confidence in those poses individually. I have 2 previous videos on how to do crow pose and Chaturanga Dandasana. I will link them in the description box below, so feel free to check them out.
So let's begin by coming into crow pose. The closer your knees to your armpit, the easier the transition will be. Remember to keep your gaze forward. Here I'm demonstrating in normal speed, shooting the leg back to Chaturanga, then the full vinyasa, ending with downward facing dog. This time I will show you again in slow motion so it's easier for you to observe the movements. Once you feel steady in crow pose, take a deep inhale, round through your back and draw the lower belly in. On your exhale, shoot the legs back and keep the elbows bent at 90-degree angle before flowing into your full vinyasa. This is what you shouldn't do. You should never jump into plank pose because it will give you too much pressure on your delicate ligaments in your wrist and your shoulders.
This transition is very empowering and challenging at the same time. Do not be discouraged if you don't get it on your first trial. Practice, 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 and celebrate each progress. Feel free to share with me on Instagram on your progress, and I'll see you guys next time.